Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is COP16 summit. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, that is UNCCD, COP16 summit is set to take place from 2nd to 13th December 2024 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. COP16 marks the 30th anniversary of the UNCCD, aiming to accelerate global action on land restoration and drought resilience. The summit is especially significant for regions directly affected by desertification and land degradation, such as West Asia and North Africa. Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December at 11:30 a.m. and English medium batch will start from 12th December at 6 p.m. For more details, call us on 9311-406-440 or visit us at C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now. Now let's have a look at key expectations from COP16. Focus on desertification and droughts. The summit will highlight the growing issue of desertification, with droughts increasing by 29% since 2000, largely due to climate change and unsustainable land management. Global land restoration goal. To achieve a land degradation neutral world by 2030, 1.5 billion hectares of land need restoration, requiring urgent political action and investment. Dual approach. COP16 will introduce a negotiation track for political declarations and an action agenda focused on voluntary commitments for land restoration and drought resilience. Riyadh Action Agenda. This will be a key platform for launching initiatives, discussions, and multi-stakeholder collaborations to scale up efforts in land conservation, restoration, and drought resilience. Now moving on to impact of desertification and droughts. Forced migration. Desertification and droughts contribute to forced migration, with 216 million people expected to move due to climate impacts by 2050. Economic losses. Land degradation has caused losses worth $11 trillion, affecting 3.2 billion people globally. Agricultural impacts. Declining groundwater levels and rainfall deficiencies are pushing farmers to migrate to cities, threatening food security. Now is the time for practice question. What is the theme of the UNCCD COP16 summit? Sustainable land management, our land and our future, climate action for all, or earth restoration plans? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.